Hi everyone, welcome back to the Reflectly channel where we make short videos about mental health, self-esteem, self-love and all that kind of good stuff. My name is Nour and today I just want to talk to you about how you can improve your relationship with other people through writing and journaling. So writing helps you organize your thoughts and feelings about other people. It helps you kind of see the situations from another person's point of view or perspective, and it's a great way to understand other people's emotions and thoughts. It allows you to build more empathy and take other people's emotions more into consideration, and also it helps you set and keep track of your boundaries, as well as it can help you learn how to peacefully resolve conflict. When we interact with other people, it can be hard for us to kind of put ourselves in their shoes and understand how they're feeling. So by writing down, you can not only write the way you're feeling, but try to write from someone else's point of view. So you put yourself more in their situation and understand the way they might be feeling and why they might be acting a certain way. You can also use journaling to become a better listener. So a little exercise you can do is simply really focus to listen on what someone is telling you. When somebody is telling you a story, just listen really carefully in order to be able to then write down what they told you as accurately as possible. So this way, not only will you be able to write down what they told you so you can remember and understand the way they're feeling, but also it will help you really know how to listen carefully to people, and in turn you will be able to just listen to them very carefully with all your attention without necessarily needing or wanting to write down what they told you later on, but simply just for the sake of being a good listener and becoming a better friend. As I said, when you write down about what someone told you or expressed to you, it really helps you understand them better and get to know them better. And it will improve the way you understand, interact, listen, and connect with other people. I hope this little video helped you and that you will try the exercise. And I really hope it will help you with your relationship with anyone. So if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also let us know in the comments if there is anything else that you would like us to talk about. If you want us to dive deeper in any topic, if anything that you would like to see, just let us know and we will make sure we get back to you or we create content around it. We hope to see you here again very soon, and stay positive. Bye!